Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
I'm at the Tirupati temple, which is nestled in the Tirumala hills and has the shrine of Lord Venkateshwara. This famous temple in Andhra Pradesh, which is also called its spiritual city, has reopened after almost 3 months since the COVID-19 lockdown. Where once this temple saw between 75,000 to 90,000 pilgrims, now after the lockdown, only 6,000 to 10,000 pilgrims are allowed in a day. Let's find out what has changed after this temple is opened and how strictly is it implementing its safety protocols.
For the general public, the temple opened on 11th June, but it was open for the temple employees on 8th and 9th June and on 10th June for the local people at Tirupati. While entering the temple premises, cars were disinfected and sanitizers were sprayed on people's hands who were entering the temple. Darshan at the temple started at 6:30 am, while the last one would be at 7 pm. Even for offering coconuts, devotees had to wait standing in a queue. It was made sure that no one stood close to each other, and red lines were drawn on the floors for each person to stand aside from each other. The temple was shut for a long time, and this made the devotees urge the authorities to open the temple. People from the nearby areas as well as Hyderabad paid their visit. They said they were eagerly waiting for the temple to reopen.
We are eagerly waiting for the temple to open because it was almost 80 days.
Yes.
We are unable to come to. I just want to COVID to be ended as soon as possible because a lot of people are struggling for the day-to-day earnings. Na?
Yes.
At the Kalyan Kata, where people shave their head to donate their hair, all the male barbers were wearing PPE kits, while the female barbers were wearing saris, shields, gloves and masks. The special PPE gowns for women to wear over their saris was due to come either Thursday or Friday. The loudspeakers that played devotional songs were now used for constant announcements about physical distancing, sanitization of hands and wearing masks. Due to the lockdown, the temple faced a loss of Rs 200 crore monthly. On the first day of reopening on Monday, the temple received more than 25.7 lakh in the form of Hundi collection.
With constant reminders on the loudspeaker to wear their masks, use sanitizers and gloves and maintain distances at all times, worship at the Tirupati temple here in Andhra Pradesh has become a lot more sanitized. One has to wait and see how long it will take for the temple to resume its normal number of pilgrims of up to 70,000 to 90,000 people a day. With Manisha Mondal, this is Revati Krishnan reporting from Tirupati for the Trend.